Discover how banana chips are made in modern factories. In this video, we take you through the complete banana chips production process, step by step, from selecting fresh green bananas, peeling and slicing, to frying them in hot oil and packaging the crispy snack we all love. See how simple bananas are transformed into crunchy, golden banana chips using large-scale food processing machines. If you enjoy learning how foods are produced, this behind-the-scenes look at banana chips. Manufacturing will show you every stage of the process. Watch until the end to see the full journey from raw bananas to perfectly crispy banana chips. Banana chips are crispy snacks made from sliced bananas that are fried or baked until crunchy. Here's the typical factory production process step by step. Selecting the bananas. Factories usually use unripe green bananas because they are firm and less sweet. Workers sort the bananas to remove damaged or overripe ones. Peeling. The bananas are peeled by hand or by machines. The peel is removed to prepare the fruit for slicing. Slicing. The peeled bananas are placed into a slicing machine that cuts them into thin, even slices. Thin slices help them cook evenly and become crispy. Soaking optional step. Some factories soak the slices in salt water or turmeric solution. This helps prevent browning, add flavor, improve crispiness. Frying. The slices are fried in hot vegetable oil, usually coconut or palm oil, at around 170–190 degrees Celsius until they turn golden and crunchy. Draining oil. After frying, the chips pass through a centrifuge or draining system to remove excess oil. Seasoning. Flavorings are added depending on the product. Common flavors include salted, sweet sugar coating, honey, BBQ or cheese. Cooling. The chips are cooled on a conveyor belt or cooling trays so they stay crispy. Packaging. Finally, the chips are weighed and sealed into bags using automatic packaging machines to keep them fresh and crunchy.